Contract 4 of the Orbital Highway starts after the intersection with Dukhan Expressway, where a grade-separated interchange will be constructed as part of Contract 2 of the project. The highway continues its path to the north of Dukhan Expressway, where a dumbbell interchange, J12A, will be executed with the roundabouts at either side of the highway, serving the surrounding residential area's farms. The roundabouts will also provide connection to future developments to the east and west of the highway. The main purpose of Contract 4 of the Orbital Highway and Truck Route is to provide a better connection between Dukhan and the two industrial cities of Msaid and Ras Laffan. The highway proceeds northbound, where a dumbbell interchange, J12B, will be erected to connect with existing Al Gharafa Road, with the roundabouts at either side serving the surrounding residential area's farms. Again, these roundabouts will provide connection to future developments to the east and west of the highway. The Orbital Highway and Truck Route will act as a relief and a vital artery for Doha City, as it will form a connection between South and North Qatar without having to pass through Doha, which reduces the traffic and consequently the jam inside the capital. The highway resumes northbound to Al Mazrua Road, where a directional cloverleaf type interchange, J13, will be constructed. This junction will provide free flow in all directions to facilitate a high-level connection with surrounding residential areas and with future developments. The project also aims to collect part of the traffic between New Doha Port and Msaid South and Al Khor North. The highway progresses northbound to Al Shamal Expressway, where interchange J19 will be built to facilitate a direct link to Al Shamal city. The Orbital Highway and Truck Route comprises of 5 exclusive lanes for small vehicles, with a provision to add 2 more lanes, and 2 separate lanes for the use of heavy trucks in each direction, stretching for 42 kilometers with a design speed of 140 kilometers per hour. The Orbital Highway and Truck Route terminates at the intersection with Al Khor Bypass through a fork-type interchange J14 that connects with Al Khor city and the two industrial cities of Msaid and Ras Laffan.